Hi, this video here is to explain how you would go about adding products to your shop. Now this website here, Cool Kids School Uniforms, has a variety of different schools, and within that a number of products that people can buy for that school. For example, we've got 3 different products within Bardsley School. Now if I quickly flick between the website and the administrator area, in here I've already logged in to the administration area for that particular website, Cool Kids School Uniforms. And the way you access the shop is by going to the 4th menu in, Components, and then scrolling down to Virtumart. If I choose that particular option, that will open the control panel for the Virtumart shop. So this is the piece of software that controls all the elements dealing with the shop on the website. Now if you want to add an extra product, for instance, you go to the product list. If you wanted to add in a new school, that's actually a category, so you would go to the category tree. If you wanted to see who had been buying items on the website, that's via the orders. These are the main areas that you'll use. We'll concentrate on the product list at the moment because we want to add a new product. So we'll choose product list, and we can see here that we've got all the different products available, quite a number. So to add a particular product, you go up to the menu bar area at the top and choose New, this little green circle with a white cross. And this brings up the new product window. You can see here it's a new product. First thing it'll ask you is for the SKU, and that's basically the product code, so we'll call this 01. The product name, we'll call this t-shirt, so that it's a particular product type. And underneath that you can ignore the other boxes until it comes to the category, and the categories here are each of the individual schools. So we choose which school we want this product to appear in, Bardsley School in this case, but we could actually add it to multiple categories. So if this t-shirt, for example, could be bought in a number of categories, you hold the control key down and hit click, and you can add it to multiple categories. So I'll just go ahead and add that to multiple categories here. We then put in the price, in this case £5. Whether or not VAT applies, in this case it doesn't because it's school children's clothing. And then a short description, so we'll call this t-shirt. We then scroll down the page and you've got an area here for a much bigger product description. So in here we may put something like t-shirt made of cotton or something of that nature, just so that people get a bit more depth of information. So we can put, as you can see, there's quite a lot of space there, so you can put a lot of information in. The next tab that's important along here, you'll notice along the top there's a number of tabs. The next tab is the display options. You don't need to change that whatsoever for the majority of shops and products that are being displayed. The next one after that's the product status. Again, if you're not running a stock system, you don't need to worry about the stock items which appear at the top of this page. However, if this particular t-shirt exists in a number of different sizes, then this would appear in this attribute list area. The title of the attribute in this case would be size. The property would be the size that is available, in this case small. And if we then needed to add a medium and a large, we would click New Property, type in M for medium, New Property, L for large. If there was a price differential between each of the sizes, you can type this in here. So for example, if it's an extra £1 for a medium and perhaps an extra £5 for the large, you put in +1 and +5 in these boxes, and that will then add £1 to the medium price, £5 to the large price, based on the price we put in the previous page. We've also got the product dimensions and weight. Now this becomes important if your particular product is being delivered based on weight. If you're not delivering your products on weight, for example if it's a fixed price for sending your delivering your particular product, or if you're having free delivery, you may not need to worry about these things at all. If you're thinking of sending it via courier, then obviously they use things such as weight, so you need to actually fill this information in to get an accurate idea of how much it's going to be to actually deliver that item, so you can actually charge that during the checkout process. The next tab is product images. So in here what you can do is add a picture of the product. So if I click the browse button and we find a picture of a t-shirt, for instance. If you bear with me as I scroll through my complicated structure on the website to find a picture that's suitable. And let's just choose this image here. And it's as simple as that. It'll automatically choose the auto create thumbnail, which will mean that you'll get a small version and a large version of this image. So you just needed to select that from the hard disk, as simple as that. The final tab is related products. Now in here what you can do is choose products that are similar to the particular product that you've got there. So for example, if you've got a t-shirt and you've got a matching set of shorts, then you could actually type that particular shorts in here. So for instance, let's just say these particular black shorts are related and these red shorts are related. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and save that. Now the save button appears up in the top right, and then once we've saved that particular product, we'll then flip back to the website, and I'll just refresh this page so that we can see this brand new product I've added. And here it is here, t-shirt, £5. So if I go ahead and get the product details by clicking product details at the bottom there, you'll see we've got t-shirt made of cotton, a price of £5, which we typed in earlier. We've got the product image. I click on that, we'll get the full size product image. So it's done all this by filling that form in. It also has underneath, you may be also interested in these products, with links to particular products that we said may be related. These could be any product that appears anywhere within your shop. And then underneath here we've got the sizes, and you can see here a medium, extra pound, large, extra, £5, and we've got the add to basket button, so you can go ahead and add that particular product to the basket. And you can see here t-shirt, size small, the product code, the price, ready to check out. I'll just flip back to the website, to the admin area, and you can see here that we get a summary of the item that we've just added, which is the same item we looked at with the pictures and all the other details. If you're finished and you want to go back to the product list, you can click product list, and from there you can then go ahead and add extra products if you wish. So that just covers how you go in, find your shop information, find products, add products, pictures and related items within your shop.